Well, we've been evicted, it's as simple as that. I thought evictions were passed in Ireland, but we've been served with an order to vacate the premises, which means the railway and all of our members must get out.
By?
Well, in fact, we should have been out by now, but the difficulties involved in moving the stock are considerable, and as a result, it's taken time. We're still here, but we've made plans to shift, and within a few days we could have all the rolling stock away from the site.
I don't know what the council can do on a permanent basis to save it all, but in the short term we certainly can assist, and I would hope that the council would assist with providing accommodation and financial assistance if that's possible.
What sort of accommodation? You mean you'll be able to store the exhibit somewhere?
Yes, assist them in finding storage space, or if we have it ourselves, to make it available to the Railway Society.
But can anything be done to actually save the site?
Well, that gives us a difficulty because it is actually owned by another person, and if we were to acquire the site or the use of it, we'd need to enter into negotiations with the owner, and until that would be done, I'm not in a position to say what we can actually do.
We wanted to stay here because we believe that Derry badly needs an injection in the tourist industry. This is the biggest grant we've ever been promised in Derry for tourism. And here is one citizen, with the others that are associated with him, kicking in the teeth a voluntary group who have put so much into trying to build something in Derry. Now, what are other community groups in Derry going to think? Are they going to think that they can go to the council and get their support, go to the tourist board, get their support, and then along comes a Derry man and tells them to get out? I'm very disappointed, and I know our members are bitterly disappointed.